guys, sorry, I stopped the video by accident. So, like I was saying, make sure you get your soap that isn't so thick but is kind of thick. Then you want to, let me go wash the spoon. This is going to be a watermelon slime because it's watermelon scented, but we'll put the coloring in later. So first, and you want to get a spoon, and then you just start mixing. And soon, it will have, when you're almost like mixing for at least 5 minutes, it will have air bubbles. Really big air bubbles. Just like this one that I made a few minutes ago. So right now there's a little bit of air bubbles coming in. Bella, are you gonna do the hack with me or no? Aww. And I have to be careful because there's these holes inside the thing. So yeah, that's okay. It might fall out, but that's okay. And then you don't. This is a one ingredient.